Okay guys, so just to give you an update, so this is the situation right now. Empty, 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 empty. Wow. Oh, this is cheap. 380, $7. I'm gonna get that. And then this one too, $7. I don't Let me think about this. 38 special. Let me get that. And then 25 auto. That's expensive round. It's 11 bucks. Huh. When are they gonna lower the price on this? I think the deadline is December 26. No more handgun ammo and AR-15 ammo. So this is the aftermath of Wal-Mart's clearing their shelves with handgun ammos and AR-15 rounds. Wow. I think it's just a matter of 2 days. 2 days. I thought this was the 9. No, it's a 22 LR, so nobody's touching that because the price is still the same. Still the same price for 22. A friend of mine was asking 100 round pack. I don't know. I don't know. No more 223. 224 Valkyrie, $5. I don't have that caliber. So. Oh, this is cheap. 38 special 357 Magnum shot shells. Let me get that. That's it guys, just to give you an update. The aftermath. Thanks for watching.